Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber, you can find out who's not opening your emails or who hasn't opened an email for a while, and then send an email specifically targeting those people to see if they're still interested in being on your list. First, we can search by date, so we can go to No Opens, and then choose a date. We'll say August 15th. And then we can search by anybody who hasn't opened an email since August 15th. We'll create a segment based on that search. We can name the segment whatever we want to. In this case, No Opens since August 15th. Now another way we can look at non-opens is again by searching, but this time choosing Message Not Opened. This will let us find out if a particular broadcast hasn't been opened. So we just choose the broadcast that we've sent out from our list, and then search by that, and we would create a segment in a similar way. Once those segments are created, when we send a broadcast, we can choose what segment we're sending out to. Instead of all our active subscribers, just that segment we created about no one opening since August 15th. Once we apply there, we can easily see that this is going to our current list, but only to that segment of people who haven't opened any email since August 15th. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.